Welcome to the student login video for SORA, the Hood River County School District's Digital Library. So we're going to explore SORA today and get you logged in. Okay, so you're going to open up the astronaut icon. So from your iPad, you'll see that there's the astronaut icon. You can also download this to any device via your app store for a free download. So type in SORA as you see it here and find the astronaut, and then you can download. Okay, to log in, you'll see it says Hood River County School District. If it doesn't say this, it might look up your school versus GPS, and if it doesn't say that either, then all you have to do is when it says find your school, you just type in Hood River, and as you can see, it will pop up Hood River. You click this is my school. Okay, so the main thing is to pay attention when you select your school, that you pick which grade level is appropriate that you are in. So if you're a high school student, you're going to click high school student, and your login information is lowercase HRV followed by your 6-digit student ID number. Okay. If you are a elementary or middle school student, you're going to make sure you drop down through the K through 8 student, and yours is your first name, dot your last name. So super dot reader, and then your student ID number is 00, and then your 6-digit student ID number. So 00 followed by your 6-digit student ID number. You click sign in, and what you'll see is if you have a book checked out, you'll see that that book is already here. And so I have 2 books checked out. To explore which books are in the system, you'll hit the binoculars at the bottom here. And then this is the overview of what the site will look like. You scroll up and down. This is all curated, so you can search by subject here by clicking any one of those buttons. You can see that we have collections that we've curated for you already. But obviously, you can do whatever you want. Up in the left-hand corner, you can see it says search for a book. And so if there is a book that you wanted to search for, you just click search for book. And I'm going to search for the book Bomb. And you hit enter. And if you have any books, as you can see, we have one book, Bomb, over here. It's an audiobook. Obviously, it's a little slow right now. But if you'd like to borrow these books, all you have to do is click the word borrow, and you'll check out a book. If you notice the headphones, that means it's an audiobook. If there's no headphones, that means that it's just a regular ebook. Okay, and that's all you have to do. So again, you click the book you want to do, you click borrow, and it automatically downloads to your device, and you're reading or listening. And again, that's it for now. I'll get you back with the next video about how to link your public library account to this and how to function with all the different settings and change the reading font.